In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows 10 or 11 as a full page capture, specifically using Google Chrome. This method is really handy when you want to save an entire web page without having to stitch together multiple screenshots. So, let's dive in and break it down step by step. First off, you need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, navigate to the web page that you want to capture. Now here's a neat trick that many might not be aware of. Start by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. This action opens up the Chrome Developer Tools, which is a built-in feature in Chrome mostly used by developers for inspecting and debugging web pages. But don't worry, you don't need to have any technical know-how to proceed with our task today. With the Developer Tools panel open, focus on the upper part of your keyboard once more and press the combination of Ctrl, Shift, and P keys simultaneously. This shortcut is a command menu that gives you a powerful way to interact with Chrome's features, allowing you to search and execute commands quickly. Now, you'll see a small text box appear at the top of your developer tools. Here, you want to type the word screenshot. As you start typing, you'll notice a list of options dropping down, showing different screenshot commands that you can perform. What you are looking for is the option that says, Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Move your cursor down and click on this option. Or you can use your arrow keys to navigate and then hit Enter. Choosing this option ensures that every part of the web page, even those parts that go beyond your current view on the screen, get captured fully. Once you've selected the capture option, your job is nearly done. Chrome will take a moment to process the whole page, depending on its length and complexity, and then automatically save the screenshot as a file on your computer. You'll typically find the saved image in your Downloads folder, unless you have a custom download path set up on your browser. That concludes the straightforward process of capturing an entire web page using scrolling screenshots on Windows 10 or 11. This approach is especially useful for keeping records of long articles, online receipts, or any detailed web page. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy screenshotting!